Hey you, what's up? This is Qazi from cleverprogrammer.com, and in this video I'm going to tackle Robert Lillyblad's question. Essentially, he wants to know what makes you a Python expert. He wrote a big message, but that's the gist of that message, so I'm going to tackle that one, okay? Let's jump right into it. So what defines an expert? That's a good question, and I've been getting that quite frequently now, so I decided to just kind of answer it for you guys. Okay, what defines, again, an expert somewhere else, like in English or whatever? There's no like one thing, there's no specific thing that makes you an expert or the ultimate authority. It's accumulation of multiple things. So, for example, I wouldn't say years of experience, though that certainly helps, and that's what most people will use. But having built projects that are useful around it, that is something that takes you a step closer to being an expert. But there's no list of like, build a calculator app, build this, and now you're an expert. But if you're working with, like if you're creating multiple projects using Python, or you get proficient in speaking Python, like you get proficient in speaking any other language, and you start to create things that are actually useful to yourself and to other people, and you're not just stuck in the basic level anymore, that's when you start to get into the level of being an expert, okay? Once you start becoming very fluent with it. So that's what you should be focusing on. And there's no single defining line. There's nothing that you just cross over and then all of a sudden you become an expert. It takes time. It takes, obviously, experience, which comes with time, and it takes a certain level of skill and building actual projects that are useful to you or other people, okay? That's how I'm going to answer this question. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.